This is how to learn the grid effect in Adobe After Effects. The grid effect is used to create a customizable grid. This effect is good for generating design elements and mattes within which other effects can be applied. First, create a composition. Then create a new solid layer. And now we apply the grid effect, which is under the Generate family. And now we'll change the parameters. Go to the Effects panel on the upper left and change the parameters to your liking. I'll change the color and select the width parameter from the Size From parameter. Then change the width parameter to make the grid bigger. Click the stopwatch, move the time indicator forward, and change their values. Lastly, select the keyframes and go to the graph editor. Select the keyframes again and apply Easy Ease on the bottom right.